Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include parking assist system, technology package, blind spot monitor, ventilated seats. Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. And is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.